you're watching German Gyan. My name is Gyan. Guys, in this video, we're gonna cover online or offline. Which classes are better? This is the biggest question which I receive always and always. So yes, in this video, we're gonna give you the blast. You should opt online or you should opt offline. This is gonna be a very ultimate answer to all your queries. In case you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi I'm a CM, the founder of German Gyan. German can provide you online and offline classes. We to provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So why do we waste time? Enroll with German Can and let's get to this video. Let's go.
Online versus offline German classes. Which one is better? In this video, you will get the answer to your question. Let's start with flexibility. This is where online classes have a huge advantage. Imagine you are working professional. You finish your work at 6:30 p.m. and your German class starts at 7 p.m. With online classes, you simply open your laptop and join the session. There is no need to travel, no traffic, and no stress. Even if you are living in a small city where there are no good German institutes, you can still learn from experienced teachers anywhere in India or even abroad. Now let's talk about offline classes. With offline classes, you have to leave your home early, travel to the institute, and spend additional time commuting. In big cities, this can easily take 1 to 2 hours every day. So, if you have a busy schedule, online learning can save a lot of valuable time. Interaction and learning environment. Now, let's discuss interaction. One reason many students prefer offline classes is the class environment. When you are physically present in a classroom, it becomes easier to focus. You are surrounded by other learners, you can participate in activities, and you can immediately ask questions. Many students also make friends in class and practice German together after lessons. However, online classes can also be interactive if they are conducted properly. Modern platforms like Zoom and Google Meet allows teachers to create speaking activities, pair work, and group discussions. The real challenge with online classes is distraction. Sometimes students attend class while checking their phone, watching TV, or doing other tasks. So, the learning environment depends a lot on your personal discipline. If you can stay focused each time, online learning works very well. If not, a classroom environment may help you stay motivated. Cost comparison. Another important factor is cost. Online classes are usually more economical because you are not spending money on transportation, accommodation, fuel, or daily travel expenses. For example, if you are attending an offline class 5 days a week, you might spend a significant amount every month just on commuting. With online classes, all you need is a stable internet connection and a device. Offline classes often involve additional expenses beyond the course fee. For students preparing for Germany while managing a budget, online classes can be a very practical choice. Speaking practice. Now let's talk about the most important skill in language learning, that is speaking. Many students assume that offline classes automatically provide better speaking practice, but that's not always true. What matters more is the teaching method. A good teacher will make sure students speak German regularly, whether the classes is online or offline. In quality online classes, teachers use role plays, conversation exercises, breakout rooms, and speaking tasks to encourage active participation. At the same time, some offline classes focus mainly on grammar and provide very little speaking practice. So before joining any course, ask these questions. How much speaking practice is included? How many students are there in one batch? Are there conversations sessions? And remember, speaking skills improve through practice, not through the mode of learning. Who should choose online classes? I would recommend online classes if you are a working professional, you are a college student with a busy schedule, you live in a small town without access to quality German institutes, you want to save travel time, you prefer learning from the comfort of your home, and for those learners, online classes offer convenience and flexibility. Then, who should choose offline classes? Offline classes may be a better option if you are a complete beginner, you need a structured classroom environment, You find it difficult to stay focused at time. You enjoy face-to-face interaction with teachers and classmates. You learn better through physical classroom activities. For such students, offline learning can provide additional motivation and discipline.
So guys, how was this video? I hope now you are very much clear with this answer. We'll catch you in the next one. So then keep learning journalism and take care.